Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 controller not working on PC with Xbox, PS5, or PS4 controllers. Alright, let's begin. This issue usually happens because controller support is disabled in Steam or your controller is not being detected correctly by Windows. First, open Steam, click the Steam logo, and select Settings. From the left panel, choose Controller, and then click on Advanced Settings. Make sure Xbox controller support is enabled. If you're using a PS5 or PS4 controller, enable PlayStation controller support and turn on the additional controller options available on the page. Now, the game should work properly with all controllers. If it doesn't, open your browser and search for DS4 Windows. Download it from the official website and launch the program. During the initial setup, select Program folder and install the required drivers. Make sure both PlayStation controller options are checked. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. After that, connect your controller and launch Forza Horizon 6. That's it for this video. Thanks!